Hello everyone, today we are going to make slime. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump into the video. So here we have our cup and now we are going to measure 25 ml of clear glue in our measuring cylinder. Now I have measured the clear glue in the measuring cylinder. Now we have to put slime activator. Slime activator is really important. Without it, you can't make slime. Before adding slime activator, if you want to add any color or glitter or anything, you should put it now. Now I am putting my favorite red color and you can add 3 drops. 1, 2 and 3. Or you can add 4. See this red color, it's food coloring. Here I have added glitter and red color and 25 drops of slime activator. By using spatula I will mix it. Now if the slime is too liquidy, then add few more drops of slime activator. See, it's so stretchy. Alright, so I hope you liked my video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.